You have these many steps ना, and करवा चौथ सारा दिन निकल जाएगा आराम से, पता भी नहीं चलना है. And guys, this is my pro tip. So you'll actually get full coverage with this method. I didn't have brushes when I started makeup. I didn't have a lot of products. So I think that really helped me learn. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ragini and I do makeup and fashion content here on my YouTube channel. And today's makeup is this glam Karwa Chauth makeup that I've come up for you guys. I think ये makeup बहुत ही glam है, बहुत ही Indian है, perfect for Indian complexions and Indian features. And the color that I've chosen this time is maroon, as you can see. Last year भी मैंने एक video किया था जिसमें मैंने red साड़ी और red lips पहने थे. If you want to check that out, I will link it up here. It is also a Karwa Chauth makeup which is very simple and you can easily recreate it. But इस साल मैं कुछ different करना चाहती थी because red is, of course, it's a beautiful color, such a cult color for Karwa Chauth. But I wanted to try out new colors. I know everybody doesn't wear red and maroon is such a good substitute for red. I think it is still so Indian and our golden tones really stand out with this color. I'm so happy that I've created something like this. The eyes are also colorful but still very subtle and it goes with this perfectly. So I've shared a bunch of tips or my favorite products be in this video. So if you want to know how to create this glam face, let's get started. So the first step is the Smashbox Primerizer. So this is a primer which is good for dry skin. It provides a lot of moisture. So this primer is such a cult favorite. I definitely like to use this. My thoughts are like it's good, but I need to use it more to actually tell you what exactly I feel about it. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so finally a foundation which is different this time. This is the Sugar Foundation. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा इस फाउंडेशन के बारे में बात करने के लिए बिकॉज ये एक हाइड्रेटिंग फाउंडेशन है. सो बहुत सारे हाइड्रेटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ गाइज बिकॉज आई हैव ड्राई स्किन. ऑलराइट, सो आई वांटेड टू यूज़ द एस्टे लॉडर फाउंडेशन बिकॉज उसका शेड भी मेरे से बहुत अच्छा मैच होता है एंड देन इट इज़ यू नो वेरी हाई कवरेज. सो करवा चौथ है, आई वॉन्ट लाइक अ ग्लैम मेकअप गोइंग ऑन बट इट इज़ अ लिटिल ड्राइंग ऑन माई स्किन. So I just like to dot this randomly and this is a stick foundation and this color matches like perfect for me. And then I like to blend it with a brush. Mostly I like to blend my makeup with brushes. This foundation matches me really well, which I really like क्योंकि इसका undertone perfect है. Not just ये मेरी skin से match करता है, but इसका एक warm tone है जो मेरी skin के साथ बहुत अच्छा जाता है. And if you want to know more about it कि मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ, undertones and shade match, I have a video on my channel. I'll link it up here. How you choose your foundation shade and how you get your undertone correct. So I have information on it. If there's any confusion, you can leave your comment down below and I will definitely answer your questions also. So I'm also taking the foundation slightly on the neck because when you're wearing blouses and stuff, of course this area is really visible and tabhi I'm wearing a top like that. I'll change obviously in the end. Now it's time for the eyebrows and I was actually running errands so I had filled in my eyebrows a little bit for that. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा eyebrows को fill in नहीं करूँगी, just a little bit just to touch it up. And I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and it's very pigmented by the way. Even the lighter color is very pigmented, looks very light but actually stands out. Now I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and if you watch my videos you would think that I'm using this palette all the time. I know. I do want to try new palettes. If you have some suggestions, put them down in the comment box. I would love to take your suggestions. But having said that, this palette is very, very pigmented. It really shows. Now, let's be practical, right? I do try out a lot of eyeshadow palettes. But if you were in my place, if you're not blogging or if you're not into a lot of makeup also, and you just want one eyeshadow palette, this is perfect. This whole color scheme is going to work for you. I mean, no matter what, you have your bright colors, you have your neutrals. So Nykaa पे जब sale लगती है, if you want to buy, you want Indian looks, contemporary looks, go for this. So the first shade is obviously Demure, if you've already guessed, right? It's a beautiful pink color and I do really like transition colors like this. It gives the right softness to the eyes, if you can see. And I'm going to change my brush and use this color which is called Doll Face. I'm using the colors that I love the most. If you know me personally, I'm so about the pinks and the maroons. I'm going to use Risk, which is a darker color, and just concentrate it on the outer corner. Now adding a little bit of brown cocoa to the same place I added Risk. It is going to give it that depth. Now taking my time and blending all the colors. I'm going to do a cut crease, so I'm just taking some concealer and applying it here. So by looking up, I know where I'm going to put the cut crease. So वहाँ से concealer लेके just make a half moon shape. So I'm using this angled brush to create a cut crease. Now in this cut crease, I'm going to apply Pink Diamond, which is a beautiful color. These shadows should be applied with your finger, but cut crease में थोड़ा precision चाहिए, so that's why I'm using my brush. Now take a clean brush and blend the edges, very important, ever so slightly, okay? Now I'm going to quickly take Moon Dust and Bubbly. These are two highlighting colors. I'm going to mix them and apply as highlighters. Now it's time for the eyeliner. So I'm doing a very thin band. And I'm using the K Beauty Kajal just to draw a thin band, and then of course I'm extending it. Alright guys, so the lashes are on and so is the Glam. Lashes make such a difference, but if you don't want to wear lashes, it's totally fine. I've just used it to add some extra glam. So I'm just going to blend my lashes with this mascara, which is the L'Oreal Superstar Mascara. And I'm not going to apply a lot because I want that subtle angelic effect on my eyes. But this mascara is very good. Literally, like, I was surprised the amount of length it gave to my lashes. Now it's time for Kajal. So I'm going to apply this Kajal by Mamaearth. And now it's time for concealer. Now this concealer by Pac, it is amazing. I use this a lot these days. ये बहुत जल्दी set भी हो जाता है, like those high-end concealers, and it's such a good price. So this is the shade Beige. So I like to take it a little down, and I also like to highlight. These days this trend is a lot there on social media, wherein you see that highlight going on. I'm not boasting or something, but I was already doing the little highlight because I've always felt your concealer can do so much. So see, it looks scary, but after blending you wouldn't know कि इतना scary भी लग रहा था कभी. So अच्छा, by the way, I'm not going to use a brush today. I'll show you how you blend your concealer with your finger. So अच्छा, this one sets jaldi, so I have to be quick. So just take your ring finger and do this. I have done this so much all the time. I didn't have brushes when I started makeup. I didn't have a lot of products. So I think that really helped me learn. So you take your concealer and take your ring finger and you can look up and blend. And look, it's blended. And guys, this is my pro tip. So you'll actually get full coverage with this method. So now the concealer is done. I'm taking the Nykaa powder in Beige and I'm just going to apply it on my under eyes. So now I'm mixing all these three pink colors. You have these many steps now, and Karwa Chauth सारा दिन निकल जाएगा आराम से, पता भी नहीं चलना है. Now it's time for contour. So I'm using this sugar contour in Woodywonder, and this is a brush I absolutely love by Faces. In fact, a lot of brushes, I have a video, I'll link it here. So those are the best brushes, but those are so affordable. So if you're starting out, I understand you don't have to buy a lot of expensive makeup, and you can totally buy this. This is like one of my favorite brushes. If you get this, so you should definitely get your hands on this. Time for the blush. Now I'm using the Nykaa blush in Brazilian Bombshell. I'm actually going to use this pinky color and mix just itna sa, like tick, and apply it on the apples of my cheek and slightly towards the temples. Just make sure you take your blush and blend it really well with the contour. Now it's time for the highlighter, and I know you'll be glowing that day, but a highlighter still doesn't do any bad. I mean, we still need a highlighter to make ourselves feel better. So yeah, oh, I'm not even talking about the highlighter. HFO Spoon by Focallure. I'm absolutely loving this highlighter at the moment. So this color is so like Indian, perfect for Indian skin tones. Okay, so I'm back with my jewelry and time for some finishing touches. So I'll take my highlighter and apply it here on my collarbone, because this is the area which is mostly exposed in most blouses. So I'll just apply it a little bit. And I think it adds that extra glamour, that extra oomph to your outfit. So even this part of the neck, and it totally blends the whole thing together, because if you're applying foundation here, you might as well apply your highlighter. And if you feel it's a lot, you can just take a bada wala brush and just blend it ever so slightly. Okay, time for the lips. Now for maroon lips, of course I'll be doing maroon lips, and I think वो इस eye look के साथ बहुत अच्छे match होंगे. So I'm taking this NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany. I'm overlining my lips ever so slightly. And for lipstick, I'm taking this color which I love so much. It's called Scandalous by Faces. Now, of course, if it's Karwa Chauth, I'm going to put my bindi. And I'm using a red lipstick as a sindoor. I love doing this. I think your red lipstick gives such a nice color for sindoor, and it lasts actually. Alright guys, so this is the look complete. I'm so glad how the look has turned out. I really wanted this look to be glam, super glam actually, and I wanted to use a lot of tones on the eyes, and I knew that maroon is going to be my lip. And you can definitely try this makeup for so many occasions, for your wedding functions, for Karwa Chauth, Diwali, so many functions are coming up. You can try something like this, and I promise you will stand out. Aisa mushkil nahi hai, just keep this video in front of you and try it, and you will be able to achieve it. Alright guys, I really hope aapko ye tutorial acha laga. I shared a lot of tips with you guys, and the products will be listed in the description box. Agar aapko ye video acha laga, so please give it a big thumbs up, because this is a look that you can definitely recreate using this video. And comment down below aap aage future mein kya dekhna chahte hain, what videos do you want me to create next. Also, agar mere future videos and updates miss nahi karna chahte hain, so you just have to click that red subscribe button down below, which is right below this video. Just click on it and join my family. Stay tuned for more such videos. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description. I share a bunch of tips on my Instagram. I would love to have you there as well. Wishing you all a very happy Karwa Chauth, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.